Lickety Split Bakery in Grover Beach today. Now, how long have you been in business here, Jamie?
We have been here since May 1st. We're approaching 3 months. We bought it originally with just cupcakes and we're turning it into a bakery, something that Lala Moore enjoys making.
And you also do specialty cakes for occasions such as weddings, yes?
We do. We've done a lot of weddings, which are really fun. That's kind of my background. I went to school for event planning, so I get to kind of tiptoe in that, so it's really fun.
Yeah.
Do you offer Wi-Fi here?
We do. We have free Wi-Fi. We want people to kind of hang out in our lounge and stay for a while and kind of hang out with us.
So Jamie, I heard you had a happy hour.
We do happy hour every day that we're open from 5 to 6, and it's $1 off everything in our display case. We're doing flavor of the week. So on Monday we post any flavor that you'd like to see us make, and we will make it, we'll run it for the week, and you get to come in and enjoy that cupcake for free.
So yes, you can be in charge of an actual flavor here and come in and reap the rewards and come have a free cupcake.
So I think Lala's actually gonna make you guys a breakfast croissant sandwich to try, and maybe some French press. We might have to throw one of those in for you.
All right.
I'm all about it. Let's go bug him in the kitchen.
So we're sitting here with
Chef Lala over here, and he is making some phenomenal cupcakes and baked goods, and we're gonna see something new that they've got to offer, breakfast here at Lickety Split Bakery. We're watching him at work right now.
So he's filling the cupcake.
Oh, so it's chocolate filling?
Ghirardelli chocolate. All the chocolate cupcakes are filled.
That's gourmet. Oh my goodness.
Chocolate.
We've got the chef himself. What is it that you serve for us, honey?
All right, we're doing a croissant sandwich now. So we give you 3 options, all of them on a fresh baked croissant every morning. They all come with egg. We do a prosciutto and Gruyere, and then the old classic bacon and cheddar. Always comes with a side of fresh fruit.
I love it. This smells so good. I know. That freshness can't be beat. That was so light and flaky.
I love the prosciutto though. It's got that little
Well, you can't
extra
go wrong
salty
with bacon
taste.
and eggs.
No,
and
you
a
can't.
lot of cheese.
You gotta make it a point to stop by, check this place out. It's phenomenal.
Locally owned and operated right here in the heart of Grover Beach.
Yep, and a wonderful family.
All right, you guys aren't done yet. You gotta try our cereal milk.
Cereal milk?
It's amazing.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God. I don't even like milk. You just made me like milk.
That's delicious.
That is so good. We get to have our cake and eat it too. Hey, you better shut your face.
Well, I had an amazing time here at Lickety Split. How about you, Mo?
Oh, it was a pure joy meeting Jamie and Lalo and having fun decorating our own cake after having some bomb breakfast.
And coffee. Their coffee's phenomenal as well. Their French roast.
This is a very nice place to come and hang out or pre-order if you're just on the run and you need to get something quickly. And they've got a special offer for you as well.
For every 12 cupcakes, you get 1 free if you mention On The Go with Tony and Mo.
Or say you saw it here on Central Coast Now TV and like them on Facebook. Follow them because they have a lot of specials and you could be one of the winners who gets a free cupcake for doing your bit on naming a flavor of the week.